To connect Xendit to Shopify, you need to understand they do not have a direct one-click integration in the Shopify App Store. You will be installing a third-party connector app that acts as a bridge between your store and Xendit's payment gateway. The most reliable method is to use a middleware platform, and the most popular and officially recommended one is called HitPay. Start by going to the Shopify App Store from your admin dashboard and searching for HitPay Payment Gateway. Install this app and create a HitPay account if you do not already have one. Once inside the HitPay dashboard, navigate to the Integrations or Payment Gateway section. You will see a list of providers, and you need to select Xendit. The system will ask you to input your Xendit API keys, which you can find in your Xendit dashboard under Settings and API Keys. You will need both the public key and the secret key. Copy these keys carefully from Xendit and paste them into the corresponding fields in HitPay. Make sure to select the correct mode, which should be live for real transactions, or test if you are just setting things up and not ready to sell yet. After you have linked your Xendit account to HitPay, the final step is to link HitPay to your Shopify store. Go back to the HitPay app inside your Shopify admin and complete the activation process. The app will automatically sync the payment methods you enabled in Xendit, such as virtual accounts, credit cards, OVO, Dana, and QRIS, directly into your Shopify checkout page. You must ensure that the payment gateway is active in your Shopify settings under payment providers. Look for HitPay in the list of third-party payment providers and make sure it is selected and enabled. To test the integration before announcing it to your customers, use Shopify's test mode to place a fake order. Go through the entire checkout process and select one of the Xendit payment methods that appear. Complete the payment in the Xendit test environment to verify that Shopify marks the order as paid automatically. Once you confirm the status updates correctly from pending to paid, you can switch your Xendit keys and HitPay settings to live mode. Your Indonesian customers can now pay you through Xendit's local channels while your order management stays neatly inside Shopify.